Maharashtra since 16 years, and I was trying to write few things for this feedback, but ये जो few है ये spelling से तो सिर्फ 3 letters का है, 3 alphabets, but मुझे पूरी डायरी को कंसाइज करते करते ऑलमोस्ट इट्स 3 hours. So finally I thought कि पूरा दिन भी कम पड़ेगा, so let me speak up. So regarding Dr. Habib and his practice management workshop, मुझे सचमुच नहीं पता कि मुझे कितना बोलना चाहिए और कितना नहीं बोलना चाहिए, कहाँ से शुरू करना चाहिए और कहाँ मैंने फुल स्टॉप देना चाहिए. So in very few words I'll try to speak. He is not only a dentist but an entire encyclopedia for us, for the dental fraternity. क्लिनिकल सब्जेक्ट सीखते सीखते दोस्तों पता है पूरी उम्र निकल गई, बट आफ्टर हिज लेक्चर आई रियलाइज कि सिर्फ बहुत अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट करना आना इज नॉट एवरीथिंग इन योर क्लिनिक. You need to be expert in what not, practice management, finances, documentation, consent, how to add value to the same patient, same treatment what we have provided, how to make patient realize this, and he मतलब वो होता है, वो अपना अनुभव निचोड़ के बताते हैं कि कैसे उनके एक्सपीरियंस, हम अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस को भूले नहीं और अपने क्लिनिक में यूज़ करते जाएं. He also told in his lectures कि सालों से हम जो क्लिनिक में कमा रहे हैं, सक्सेसफुल होने के बाद भी, पैसा कमाने के बाद भी, जो पैसे हमें नहीं पता कहाँ गए वो सर को पता था कहाँ गए. एंड विद हिज लेक्चर we all came to know कि वो सारे पैसे हमको कहाँ मिलने वाले हैं. And one more thing I will say कि I have never found him answering this to any question asked to him कि इसके आंसर के लिए मुझे थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट करना पड़ेगा, मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए, and then I'll answer this. I never ever found him answering like this, And one more thing जो उनसे सीखने लायक है, he rewards every alumni according to his or her performance. So he teaches, मतलब इतना समझ में आया कि nobody can be 100% perfect, but rewarding in steps gives boost to our colleagues, our staff, our attendants, and even our patients too. So coming to few points which he have taught us, I have this complete diary filled up with just his practice management workshop, right? And उसमें से मैंने कुछ points निकाले हैं. I'd like to share: direct marketing, indirect marketing, patient satisfaction, follow-up system, bargaining, negotiation, financial independence, retirement planning. His 45-15-40 magical formula for 50-30-20 universal formula of budgeting, importance of first consultation, attitude, skill, knowledge, S is equal to P minus E formula, pull marketing, EACR for goal settings, identifying our primary target patients, their wants, their needs, value addition, the under promise and over delivery approach, SMART goal setting approach, storytelling for patient engagement, AIDS, AIDCA formula, stages of impact creation, key elements of marketing, planning, goals, rules, KYPs, elephant phenomenon, anger management, empathy, communications, SWOT analysis, TWCGO formula, importance of consistency, self-rewarding systems and automation in clinic, prioritization, profitability, managing income and expenses, staff retention, record keeping, consents, gross profit margin concept, net profit margin concept, the ROI, direct cost, indirect cost, depreciation, and so on and on and on and on. Okay, so finally, sir said that we should have gross profit margin of near about 80%, and that is very nice. So I have just modified his formula. So it's a question. Sir has given us a formula that GPM, if we have to calculate, that is equal to revenue minus actual cost divided by revenue multiplied by 100, right? So working on his formula only, I have devised, when we want our GPM to be 80%, what you have to do, you have to calculate your direct and indirect costs and multiply it by 5. You will arrive at a figure which you must charge for that procedure for making your revenue 80%. Thank you so much, sir, and I hope that I learn more from you regarding all the subjects you teach, and beyond that also. I will always be a good student for you. Thank you so much. I would just dedicate towards 2 lines for you. Those are not mine, but I dedicate it to you. गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागो पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपनु जिन गोविंद दियो बताए. I'll modify these 2 lines for you. क्लिनिक मैनेजमेंट 2 खड़े किसके पास हम जाएं, बलिहारी भवदीप सर आपनु जिन मैनेजमेंट दियो बताए. Thank you so much.